Are you still tracking your money in a spreadsheet that looks like a crime scene? You know the one. 50 different tabs, broken formulas, and you're still not quite sure how much you actually have left for groceries. We all want to get our money right, but with so many budgeting apps out there, especially with major shifts in the market, it's tough to know where to go. Today, we're breaking down the giants, the OG, Mint, the cult favorite, YNAB, and the major disruptor, Wealthsimple, to find out which one should be your go-to for budgeting and saving. First up, let's talk about the big picture trackers, led by Mint. Mint has long been the gold standard for being your financial dashboard. It's excellent for an easy, passive approach. You link all your accounts, banks, credit cards, loans, even investments, and in a few minutes, you get a clean, visual snapshot of your entire net worth, your total debt, and your overall spending by category. The Mint vibe, where did my money go? It's reactive. It shows you the damage after the fact, helps you categorize it, and gives you alerts when bills are due. The biggest pros? It's free, and the setup is incredibly simple. It's the perfect starter app if you just want to see where you stand. Next, the one with the philosophy, you need a budget, or YNAB. YNAB is completely different. Forget the passive tracking, YNAB is all about being proactive. It operates on the zero-based budgeting method. The core rule is, give every dollar a job. When your paycheck hits, you immediately assign every single dollar to a category, rent, groceries, savings, or that big-ticket item you're saving for. The YNAB vibe, what is my money going to do? It forces you to be intentional. You budget the money you have now, not money you expect to get later. This approach is life-changing for many, especially if you live paycheck to paycheck or struggle with overspending. The cons? It has a steep learning curve and, unlike Mint, it's a paid subscription service. But for serious budgeters, the savings you gain often make up for the annual fee 10 times over. Finally, let's talk about the hybrid challenger, Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is not a dedicated budgeting app in the same way as the other two. It's primarily a financial institution for investing and high-interest savings. However, if you already have your money in a Wealthsimple cash or high-interest account, their integrated tracking features are incredibly powerful. The Wealthsimple vibe, how is my money performing across all accounts? Because they hold your money, the data flow is seamless. You can see your cash, your investments, and your crypto, all in one place, which gives you the ultimate view of your net worth. While it has excellent tracking, it often lacks the deep-dive budgeting customization of YNAB or the comprehensive link-up to other external accounts like Mint. It's best if you're consolidating most of your financial life with them. So, which one is right for you? Choose Mint, or a similar free dashboard app, if you want a simple, hands-off overview of your spending and net worth. You want to see where the money went. Choose YNAB if you are serious about changing your relationship with money, need to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and don't mind a little extra effort and a subscription fee. You need to assign where your money will go. Choose Wealthsimple if you are already an investor or are looking for an all-in-one platform where the investment tracking is just as important as the spending tracking. The best app is the one you'll actually use, but hopefully, this breakdown gives you the clarity to pick the perfect tool to start winning with your money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.